Hello there, my name is Fernando and I'm a developer advocate here at GitLab. Approving an AI agent for a project used to be all or nothing. Once it was in, it could invoke any of its tools, including write and destructive operations, without anyone reviewing the action first. That's a lot of trust to hand over upfront. Tool approval guardrails change that. As an administrator, you decide per tool whether an action runs on its own, pauses for a human, or is blocked outright. Now let's set it up. To set up our tool approval settings from our project, we must go to the Settings tab and select General. From here, scroll down to the GitLab Duo section and select Change Governance. Under the Tool Management section, you can see the tool name, its source, the action it performs, the category, and the web and local access rules. You can define rules that map each tool to one of three modes. Allow means the tool executes silently. Ask means it pauses and requires human approval at the moment of execution. And deny blocks the tool entirely. Note that the default rules are inherited from the group. I'm going to go to the Create Merge Request tool and set the rules to always ask before creating a merge request. After performing this rule change, now I'll go ahead and access the GitLab Duo chat agent. From here, I can tell the agent to edit readme.md to show a standard pipeline as well as how to skip deployment within that pipeline. The agent first looks at the readme.md to understand the structure before editing. This is allowed since it is part of the agent tool. Then we can see that approval is required to commit and push to a new repository. I'll go ahead and click Approve, and then the agent commits to a new branch. Then it wants to create a merge request. Instead of automatically creating the merge request as set by the group, we must actually approve before a merge request can be created, due to the fact that we changed the rule settings within the project. After approving, you can see that merge request number 6, targeting the GitLab branch, is present. You no longer choose between fast agents and safe agents. Set each tool to allow, ask, or deny, and the sensitive action waits for a human while everything else keeps moving. See the links in the description for more information and be sure to subscribe for more GitLab videos. Thank you.